Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Anirban. You are watching pixmentor. Today is a very important class. This is the class of appearance panel. Appearance panel is visible on Illustrator. This is very important to manipulate any text, any path into any stroke with multiple stroke, multiple color with layers. And basically we can change the layers, we can off the layer, but without any control Z, without any undo or redo. We can just optimize our text style and our needs of graphics. So this is very easy tutorial. I can explain appearance panel on this tutorial. So let's begin. So here we are in the Illustrator. We have a text, a word. So I have a illustration of a ape and a UFO. So I need to change this text style. So here is the appearance panel. We can see a sun-like icon. So this is our new stroke and this is our new fill and this is FX. Now I click on stroke. I need a stroke outside of this text. Let's pick this color and change the fill color, this fill color to something like this. Fill color something like this, and stroke color I need to change is black. Okay, now something, the stroke width to 3 pt, and the stroke properties, here we can find our stroke properties. So stroke properties we basically find from here, but in appearance panel stroke properties same, but we can select from this section. We can select from dashed line, we can select from our text dashed line, start and end like this, and also the profile of the stroke uniform like this. So you can find is very useful. This is very useful thing, appearance panel in Illustrator. We can just hold the text, just select the text and go to our effect panel, so we can find the appropriate effect. This style is perfect, I think. Yes. If we don't need this effect, then just delete it. You can get your previous version of the text. Okay, so this is very easy to work with appearance panel. You can select multiple stroke, you can get multiple stroke from this layer to this layer. You can increase this stroke width and height, you can increase this stroke width, you can change the color of the stroke anytime, anywhere. Now you can see both stroke in a one text, but this text now still editable. So this is very easy to operate any project like this. If we don't learn this appearance panel, we have to face very serious problem like this. I show you. If we need to do this, we can select the copy and Ctrl B, Ctrl C and Ctrl B. Then we need to add a stroke. Then we need to add a stroke like this. Then again Ctrl C and Ctrl B. Then we need to add a stroke. Then add a color. I think I get the point. But in this way we don't need multiple layers and multiple stroke that way. So this is very easy process to achieve this kind of elements. Anyway, this is a small tutorial on English. If you like, please press the like button and give me your comment and thoughts about this tutorial. Thank you.